Welcome to another thing you know. Norway is famous for many things. Its capital city of Oslo, amazing culture, outdoorsy people, but most of all, it is famous for Northern Lights. Every year, many tourists visit Norway to witness Northern Lights, also known as the aurora, one of the most beautiful and mysterious natural phenomena. So today, we uncover this mystery and find out what exactly leads to these colorful patterns in the sky during winter months. Northern Lights have inspired many myths over the years. Many cultures associated them as a result of the angels fighting devils, while some believe that they are a bridge to other planets. But all these myths were proved wrong when in 1896, science was finally able to figure this all out. And based on these discoveries, we have the sun to thank for Northern Lights. There are constant heated reactions happening at the surface of the sun, and due to this, a magnetic field is generated. These fields consist of electrically charged particles called plasma. Plasma has such high energy that it can escape the massive gravitational force of the sun and shoot away in all directions. This phenomena of particles moving in all directions is called a solar storm. Solar storms can reach a speed of up to 8 million kilometers per hour. At that speed, it takes only 18 hours for these storms to hit Earth. And when it reaches Earth, something interesting happens. Now you see, Earth has a layer of magnetic field around it, thanks to the iron found at its hot core. This layer, sometimes referred as the Magnetosphere, helps save us from the highly charged and deadly solar winds from the sun. When these winds reach the Earth, its magnetic fields deflect most of the charged particles in the solar storm. But some of them enter Earth's atmosphere, especially where the magnetic field is low, which is primarily around the poles. When this happens, the particles in solar winds react with the oxygen and nitrogen present in an atmosphere, leading them to shoot off some energy, which they do in the form of tiny packets of light called photons. These photons are the beautiful light patterns that we call the Northern Lights. Depending on the height at which this reaction between solar winds and Earth's oxygen and nitrogen take place, the color of the emitted photons may vary. So you might see green auroras at some places and red ones at others. This entire process happens throughout the day, but you cannot see these patterns in daylight as the brightness of sun overpowers the light emitted by these photons. These beautiful patterns are truly one of the most unique natural phenomena that we have. And while Norway is certainly the best place to experience this, you can witness auroras at any place closer to the polar region during winter months. Iceland, Finland, Alaska are some of the other best places. Comment down below if you have seen the Northern Lights. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.